What should I do?
Just follow your heart.
What do you think my heart says?
I don't know. I'm not your heart.
But you're most of it.
Do you like me?
No?
What? I mean, why not?
Think about it for a second.
So there's another girl.
No, baby. I love you. So, who do you like?
Some guy who doesn't like me.
Well, then he's missing out.
Who do you like?
A girl who likes this guy who's totally missing out.
Sometimes my thoughts get all jumbled up.
What do you want to say? Maybe I can help you?
I don't know how I feel about you.
Tell me how you feel now. Tell me. Tell me.
I feel like there are tiny fireworks about to go off.
I like fireworks.
But what about my jumbled thoughts?
The sparks will untangle them. Trust me.
Then blow on the dandelion.
How do I know if I'm doing it right?
Just blow until it puffs.
Until it poofs? Like how star poofs when you spin around real fast?
No, like how your heart puffs when we hold hands.
May I hold your hand?
No thanks. Say you love me. Say you love me.
You love me?
I think the poorest people are the happiest.
Then marry me and we'll be the happiest couple.
Darling, I want to dance like this forever.
Don't you ever want to improve? I love you and I could die for you.
How soon?
I would go to the end of the world for you.
Yes, but would you stay there for me? I'm so afraid to fall.
But this is different.
How's this time different?
Cause I'll catch you this time. I love you.
Good.
Why do only 10% of women go to heaven?
Because 90% of them are stuck with their men. Do you think I'm pretty?
No.
Do you want to be with me forever?
No.
Would you cry if I leave you?
No.
Would you live for me?
No.
Would you pick me or your life?
My life. I don't think you're pretty. You're beautiful. I don't want to be with you forever. I need to be with you forever. I won't cry if you leave me. I would die. I wouldn't live for you cause I would die for you. The reason why I wouldn't do anything for you is cause I would do everything for you. And the reason why I choose my life is cause you are my life. What is your biggest wish?
To kiss in the rain. You?
To be the one kissed by you.
Random question. What's your biggest wish?
I don't know. What's yours?
To be kissed in the middle of a street in a pouring rain.
I can make that come true.
Tell me how much you love me.
Look up at the sky.
Stop changing the subject.
Just look.
What am I doing?
Now count the stars in the sky.
But that's impossible.
So is me explaining my love for you.